This house makes a very clear choice. It closes itself off from the world on one side and opens completely to the mountains on the other. This is GM House, designed by Frederico Bicalho Arquitetura in Serra dos Manacás, Brazil. The house sits on a steeply sloped site, and that defines almost everything. The house does not ignore the incline, it uses the level change to organize itself across 3 levels: support spaces below, social areas in the middle, bedrooms above. The lot is longitudinal. The house stretches along the site, following the direction of the view. But it does not open to every side. Toward the higher side of the lot, where future neighboring constructions could appear, the house is more closed, more protected, more controlled. Toward the other side, the logic changes. The house opens to the valley, to the mountains, to natural ventilation, and to the best orientation. This is the main gesture of its design: closing where there's exposure, opening where there's landscape. The arrival reinforces this idea of transition. The main access happens over a reflecting pool. Before entering, you cross a reflective sheet of water. The house, the sky, and the light appear on the water. It is not a direct entrance. It's a pause before the landscape is revealed. After this arrival, the social areas appear on the intermediate level, deeper into the lot. Living room, kitchen, dining area, and veranda are connected by large glass planes. The social area works almost like an extension of the view. The interior does not end at the wall. It continues onto the veranda, into the pool, and toward the horizon. The bedrooms are on the upper floor. They are organized into 2 blocks, connected by a walkway. The walkway also helps show that the house does not function as a single block. It's a composition of levels, connections, and paths. Movement through the house becomes part of the experience. You arrive over water, enter the social level, go up to the bedrooms, and the landscape continues to guide everything. Inside, the house balances wood, glass, and a cleaner language. Wood warms the spaces, glass opens the house to the view, and the interiors do not try to compete too much with the landscape. The main presence remains the valley, the light, and the structure. Exposed concrete is the main element. It appears through the structure, through its visual presence, and through its relationship with the red soil of the region. It is not only an aesthetic choice, it is a resistant, durable material that is coherent with the site placement. In addition to concrete, the house uses ashlar stone, flamed black granite, and cement-look porcelain tile. This palette creates a more austere atmosphere, more solid, more restrained. The stone brings weight, the dark granite defines certain surfaces, and the cement-look porcelain tile helps maintain continuity between indoor and outdoor areas. The technical and support areas are located on the lower level. This organization is simple but efficient for a sloped site. What needs less view stays below, what needs gathering stays in the middle, and what needs more privacy stays above. The strength of GM House lies in the clarity of its strategy. The house understands where it is, it uses the slope, it protects itself from the western sun and from future visual interference, and it directs the main spaces toward where the landscape truly matters. The bedrooms are oriented toward the horizon. This solution keeps the rooms private while preserving the same logic of the house, looking far away, toward the landscape, and not toward the neighbors. In the end, GM House is a house about direction. It does not open by accident. It chooses where to look. It closes where it needs privacy, opens where it finds the valley, and transforms the topography into an essential part of the experience.